Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making chicken sukiyaki. Sukiyaki is a popular Japanese hot pot dish that typically features thinly sliced beef, tofu, and vegetables cooked in a sweet and savory broth. It's a communal dish often enjoyed with family or friends, especially during colder seasons. These are the ingredients. We use chicken instead of beef. Chicken sukiyaki is more common in the western half of Japan, which are famous for jidori, a term referring to locally raised high-quality chicken. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. Cut chicken thighs into large bite-sized pieces. If you have good free-range chicken, that would be great, but you can just use regular chicken from a supermarket. That will still taste good. Cut Napa cabbage into 2-inch wide pieces and cut onion in half. Then slice into 1/2-inch thick half rounds. Cut mizuna, Japanese mustard green, into 2-inch length pieces. Cut tofu into 8 pieces. We are using broiled medium firm tofu here. Remove stems from shiitake mushrooms and make decorative star cuts on top surface like that. Now we have all the ingredients good to go. Heat a pan at medium-high heat with oil and sear the chicken until browned. If you have a sukiyaki pan or any iron pan, that will be the best. Or a large electric skillet like this is also great and convenient. When the chicken is brown, we are going to add the seasoning. Add sugar, soy sauce, and sake. And immediately add the rest of the ingredients. Add the Napa cabbage, onions, tofu pieces, and the rest of the vegetables. Also, we are going to add some konnyaku noodles and cook about 10 to 15 minutes and add more vegetables as you eat. Adjust the seasonings if you like adding more soy sauce or sugar. If you like sukiyaki, hope you try this chicken version soon.
美味しい。
美味しいね。